Good morning, everyone. How are you doing today? Well, it is Sunday, and that means every Sunday I need to look into this virtual mirror, this camera here, and reflect on my week. If you don't know, again, I've been a commissioned salesperson for well over 20 years. I've lived with goals for 20 years. I now break down my goals into chunks. I track chunks. I'm specific, and I share them with you. I share them with you to show you that I'm committed to this. I share them as an example, but I also share with them so I can look at how I did. And this week, like every other, there's some highlights and some lowlights. And again, something I mentioned on the daily financial news that I want to record on this week's goals is subscription growth to my channel yesterday, Saturday, was negative. I lost one subscriber. So not only did I not grow, I shrank. That is frustrating, disappointing to me. Giving back every day. Saturday was a day I gave an hour of just Q&A. I did my daily financial news. I did another video in the afternoon. I don't know what to say. I guess I was hurt and disappointed, frustrated. But again, that's me. I need to own that. Yeah, I need to own it. I don't ask for subscriptions. I don't ask for thumbs up. It hasn't happened in probably 7 or 8 months to go negative. But yeah, that wasn't good. But on the other side, we've had tremendous following and book sales and all of those things. So I think the One Rental at a Time brand is growing, but man, we had a bad day yesterday on YouTube. So but let me share with you the goals, because that's why we're here. Again, I do this weekly. There's a playlist. You can see I break them down into 13-week chunks. I do break it into health. Last week was a horrible week for health. This pandemic, this health crisis is getting to me. You can see we have, down at the bottom here is a spreadsheet with different pages. I was pretty good the first 39 weeks. Is that right? 13, 26, 39. I am losing it now. This is freaking driving me crazy. I didn't work out 7 days, only worked out 5, and I didn't even bother fasting this week. I'm just like, forget it. If you haven't tried fasting yet, I recommend it. It was a huge success for me during the first weeks, right? I was into it, but I need to get my head right. Last week was not a good week. We did do pretty good YouTube views for the week. It's what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sixth week over 20,000 views. So thank you very much for that. Podcast for the first time in a while actually missed my goal. My goal was 12,000. It's the first time we missed it all period. So I need to figure that out. YouTube subscribers missed. And again, yesterday was negative. That hurts. That hurts. I don't know what to say. Instagram, not a great week. What would that be? 32. We're shooting for 50. So I need to figure out what's going on there. Did write an offer out of the MLS, looked at a couple of deals, but nothing. Still too pricey. Inventory is still low, but going up on Thursday. I don't remember. Thursday or Friday, I did an interview with my agent in Fresno, and the market is slowly turning, a little bit more inventory. So we'll see if that continues. Didn't spend anything on marketing. We're talking about something else. Didn't increase cash flow. We're finally moving on my apartment refis, my multifamily refis. It seemed to be stuck, but we finally made some movement last week, sent in a lot of paperwork, statements and things. We looked like we may close one transaction this month. Probably we might do 2, but I'm guessing 1. And then hopefully we close 3 more in December. But at this point, I'm guessing they may slip till January. Didn't spend any money, didn't go anywhere. I haven't gone anywhere so long. My battery died in my car. I have a very nice car and the battery died. That's how infrequent I'm going anywhere. Not good. We did do a unique thing. Olivia liked a show called Scandal. So we just watched all 7 seasons. It took us a month, I think. Yeah. Boring life, I tell you. I did create 41 videos this week. Again, for the second week in a row, my most popular video was a daily financial news. Again, this daily financial news was sponsored or sparked by Gary Vee and Nipsey Hussle. That's the second week in a row that was most popular. That's a pretty cool thing because that's something that gets done 6 days a week at 7:30. So more and more people watch these live. I think one day last week we had 80 people watch it live. That was fun. Usually it's about 50, but that's growing. So that was cool. And again, to see it over 1,500, that's pretty awesome. Was on one podcast. We did that on Friday. We had 328 book reviews. So we had 5 last week. Thank you. Again, if you've read this book and you want to do something nice for me, go to Amazon or Audible and leave a 5-star review. Yeah, if you want to be nice to me and do something cool, I appreciate it. We had 2 Audible reviews, so thank you. We only had 6 students. I don't know what's going on. Maybe it was just the election week. Maybe it's the shutdowns, but only 6 students. Again, 6 students across my free course and my paid course. Yeah, I don't know what happened. Again, I think Q4, the months we're in now, this is the time to learn. If you think there's going to be opportunities in 2021, you have to learn now. You need to know what a bad, average, good, and great deal is now. You need to take the course. If you don't know, I just released a video earlier today, lessons learned from my first 1,000 students. You should take a look at that. It's a lot of fun helping people go from 0 to 1. Their first rental is pretty cool. Didn't sell any of these lovely hats, 3 colors, gray, black, and purple. I may end up taking all these things down because they actually cost me money and I'm cheap. So I may just take it off Shopify, but we'll see. And then lastly, we've already given away $1,500 to different charities. And we will certainly give away at least 500 more as we in this month. It's important to give back. I use book sales and the proceeds from that in the course to give it away. It's just something I enjoy doing. So at the end of the day, that's my my week. Yeah, I don't know. That number yesterday bothered me. I'm sure you could feel it. It's just being honest. I keep giving. I do look forward to this channel growing. I create original content every day. Yeah, that hurt. That hurt. So at the end, tomorrow's another day. Have a wonderful Sunday. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.